Hey, you, what are you doing? What are you doing in there? Get out of my beard. Nobody told you to be my beard. Get out of there. All right, come back in here. That's nice, isn't it? Yeah, it's a nice beard. All right, you can stay here a while. Hello and welcome to the very first episode of Beardacus Artacus. My name is Paul and I'm the beard behind Beardacus Artacus. Now, today what we are going to be doing is to finish up the Christmas presents for my children, hopefully before next Christmas, because it's already a month after Christmas and anyway, I don't know what happened except for the fact that I did not have the correct tools. Now, I set out to make a 3 Lego lap tables for my children with the Lego base plates inlaid into it with handles and everything. I thought it would be really cool, and it would have been really cool except for the fact that didn't quite work out. So this is not what it's supposed to look like. My 10-year-old loves it. She enjoys it. They have a lot of fun with it, obviously, but those are obviously really badly done, these handles. They were not supposed to be open, but I didn't have the right tools. This right here was supposed to be inlaid, but I didn't have the right tools. And all in all, I'm not pleased with the outcome. She enjoys it. It's serviceable. It's fine, but the next ones will be better. So what we have here, I'm actually going to make them correctly now that I have the right tools. My wife and kids bought me some really awesome tools for Christmas. So what we're going to do here, we have just a piece of 3/4 inch plywood that I cut down to size. Now, don't do what I do here. For instance, look at these knots. They're going to present quite a bit of problem whenever I cut out the handles. Now, I've already begun working on the other one, which did have a significant knot. It was a lot easier to get around. That's the one you're going to be watching me do. But this one I'll work out as well. But here, what we have here, if you can see, I already have the lines measured out and everything for this. This is the Lego plates themselves are 10 by 10, so I have two. It'll be 10 by 20. And what we're going to do is cut out the handles, and then we will we'll go ahead and remove all of this material about maybe a 1/4 inch down, and then we'll sand it, make it flat, go ahead and paint, finish this. We'll bevel the edges, and then I will go ahead and glue down the base plates down there, and we'll have a really awesome sturdy lap table that the kids can carry around and then build their Lego sets on. It's going to be a lot of fun. Now the next thing to do is to get my trusty drill here, and we will, first thing, we're going to take some wooden blocks here. I'll block it up because we want some space underneath it. And then I will take this and find a way to open it up. Brute strength, come on! Beard powers. I need my beard powers. Come on, you can do it. I obviously don't have any beard powers. Ow, ow, hey, it bit me. 4 hours later. Beard powers. See what I'm doing?
Yeah.
This this has a guide to keep it straight. This is a special cutting bit to cut that out. That's what I didn't have last time, so I couldn't cut yours out right.
Oh, well, I'm happy the way you did it.
The thing I'm having problems with is that this bit keeps sliding down. I've got it tightened in there well enough, but for some reason maybe it, and then it doesn't quite cut correctly, so gotta keep adjusting it. Okay, it's a little bit of janky, you see, but it won't take much to sand that down to get that cleaned up really nicely. Next side. I always forget. I don't know why I always forget. I'm going to remember. I'm making it a habit. Safety first, guys. Safety first. Alright, that's both handles. Pretty good. So we're going to be using that right there. It's just a little, see if it'll focus now. It's just a little sander. And we're going to sand up these little bits here. Good. Store that away. This is a sander.
That's a sander? So you're sanding it right now?
Mm-hmm.
What's this?
That's a sanding pad.
Sanding pad? You put it onto that?
Yep, I already have one on.
Oh.
I probably will end up needing another one.
How many do you have?
Oh, I have enough.
You have enough. Of course you have enough. Do you need that mask?
Yes.
Put it on over your beard.
Safety. Safety. Safety is important. It's a whole lot better, whole lot better. Not completely done, but we're not finished yet. So that's where I want it to be right now. Okay, that's a much better camera angle, isn't it? I mean, y'all are probably sitting there thinking, that's an awful camera angle. What's wrong with you? Well, I'm new to this. Just be patient. But here we go. We're going to start working. So what we're doing next is we're going to take this little bit here. It's like a hard sanding stone. And we're going to come over here, like that, and go around these edges and just kind of go down about 1/8 of an inch as far as we want it to be, and to just trace out the outside. That'll give me a good little start to fit the carving tools in, and then we'll start carving all this out. Let's see what happens. Well, I didn't like that very much, did it? Broke. Go back on. Ooh, that thing is hot. Oh, it's done. Say hi, girls.
Hi, everyone, whoever you are.
Alright, so this time, the last one broke, and it got a little bit hot. So this time I'll take a little bit more time to cool it off before I keep using it. Be careful. And you're so silly. Okay, so now I have grooves in either side, and I'm going to go ahead and put grooves all the way down on both sides. I'll be honest, I don't really want to use the carving set to carve this out. I've never used carving tools before. I got them for Christmas, and I've never actually used a rotary carver either, so I'm learning. Yeah, that's the proper way to frame this shot, I think, is with the beard. It needs to be brushed. It's much longer. It's just being weird today. Anyway, so yeah, but I might think of a different way to do it. We'll give it a shot. So that's the thing, is just trying things that we've never done before. So that's really what we're doing today. I'm going to go ahead and continue with doing the kind of the trench along with the top and the bottom, and then from there we'll see what we're going to do. So let's try. Let's see. It's easy to know whenever it's getting too hot because it starts scorching the wood. You can see the wood scorching right there, so it's like let's cool it down a little bit. It's okay, little buddy. Cool down. It's okay. Don't need to get so upset. I think he's ready to go. Cool down, man. Gotta watch your temper. Oh, you see the dust? See the dust? He's about ready to melt down. He's like, no more, no more. Well, let's just use him until he breaks. Oh, yeah. He didn't break in body, he broke in spirit. I think he's done. Done for. The hole got too big. Yeah.
Why are you being funny?
What?
Why are you being funny on this show?
Wait, hold on. Ask me that question again. No, say it louder.
Why aren't you being funny on this show?
This is not a funny show. This is a serious woodworking show. It's serious. It's serious. Do you hear me?
No.
Serious.
No, I don't hear you.
Get away! How am I supposed to? Hey, get off my beard! Get out of my beard! Hey! Whoa! Guys, that feels really good, actually. Whoa. No, keep going. That's pretty awesome.
This is just awesome.
Okay. I think I'll wear my hat like that from now on. That's pretty good. All right. All right, I had to get back to work. All right, get out of here. Get, shoot. Shoot. I have a feeling that my ad's wrong somehow, but I just don't know. That side is done. Okay, so yeah, all the trenches are done. The trenches, 21 pilots, yeah, trenches. Anyway, yeah. So we have our trenches dug. We have our handles roughed out. Still a lot of work to be done yet. I have to remove all this material, bevel the edges. I'm going to even do a little bit of a design on the back of this to personalize it for my middle daughter. It's going to be awesome, but that is all on the next episode of Beardacus Artacus. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, hit that little notification icon, and then you will be able to see the amazingness that is going to come out of my lustrous beard. I'm not sure lustrous is. It's more like a luscious. That's not even luscious. It's just luminous. It's magnificent. My magnificent beard. So stay tuned for the next episode, and we will finish up this awesome piece of work here. So until next time.